Yo, what is up mga pare? Sa magandang umaga ng Holy Week season ngayon. And sobrang init. Parang gusto magdagat. Kaya samahan nyo ako, mag-e-LU tayo. Let's go! Yo, what is up mga par? Andito tayo sa Nooks and mag-lunch tayo dito ngayon. Sobrang init sa labas. Samahan nyo, let's go. Let's go guys. Food trip tayo dito sa Nooks. Dito tayo mag-lunch. Wow. Wow. Sama ko si Madam.
Ang tita, pagod na. Pagod na yung tita.
Angas dito guys. Yo, what is up mga para? Dito tayo ngayon sa Nook Restaurant dito sa La Union. And lilibutin natin tong place nila. Sobrang ganda dito. Samahan nyo. Let's go. Wow. Aesthetic guys oh. Yan. Grabe guys, may mga figure rin sila ng bayawak and spot ng salamin. Wow, ganda. Hi po. Akit tayo sa taas guys. Let's go. Sobrang init. Sobrang init, sobrang init. Oh, ang tambayan nga ito guys. Oh. So dito sa taas guys, parang cafe. And mga tables din, no? Tambay. Tambay kape yata to. Wow. Sobrang akas guys, oh. Yeah. Kita yung dagat. Nandito tayo sa bundok. Oh my God. Let's go. Whew. Dagat. Yun lang guys. Dibot lang tayo dito uli. Then, pagbaba, kain tayo. Let's go. Pinakatok-tok ako. Wow, what a spot guys. Mas kita yung dagat dito. Let's go. Let's go. Init. Let's go guys, baba tayo. Yo, what is up mga par? Order tayo ng menu nila dito sa Nook Dining San Juan lang yan.
Okay na natin. I mean,
Drinks ko. Okay.
Tali, repeat order ko lang ma'am. Isang kare-kare po, binagoongan, haligi rice, gin and tonic, captain touch, and lemon.
yeah. Ano mauna? Mauna ba yung Captain Touch? Probably, no? Sabay-sabay. May star anise, tapos may cinnamon. Dapat Sprite na lang, right na. Picture lang natin. Ay, yung kare-kare.
Ginagawa ko kasi ito yung kare-kare. Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Mas haligi rice ko.
Hey, what's up?
Thank you. Should we take pictures first? Pictures first?
Napotahan pa ka.
Yo, dumating na yung foods guys.
Tayo doon, wala na.
Flip pa nga pa. Let's go.
Ito nag-recording to. So, ito is the horizontal louvers. Yan. At naka-double height ceiling yung structure. This is a steel structure. Ito yung post and column natin. And then this is the roof process. So the silver thing that you're seeing right now is actually the insulation. I think that's double bubble, double foil insulation. So that's like standard. Tapos, to maximize light, they made the front, the facade, to have like a glass facade with a mix of etong horizontal louvers para makatipid, para hindi full gas. This is for light and this is for ventilation. Yeah. So, I think air comes from on the sides. That's why it's designed this way. So, this is actually a natural way to ventilate a space. So this is passive ventilation. Ayan. It's the added green plants as well. Did you know that if you have like green plants inside your house, the temperature is actually lower than the outside? Oh, totoo yun. Like even on those on that part, mas malamig dyan compared dito. Dun sa mga shaded areas. So, nababawas yung urban island effect. So, yun yung bar nila.
Arrive at your destination.
Ay, naka.
Yeah, ocean breeze. Yo, what is up mga par? Andito tayo ngayon sa may ocean breeze dito sa La Union. And dito tayo papahinga. Dito yung cottage natin. Yun lang guys. Samahan nyo ako. Pahinga muna tayo dito sa magandang bungalow nila. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Yo, what is up mga para? Dito tayo ngayon sa LU. And ito yung beach dito. Whoa, what the fuck? Sun is here. Yan. Woo! Solo flight, solar boy. Neri in the house. Grabe guys. Dagat na tayo. Oh. Woo! Ang ganda dito guys. Napaka-solid. LU. LU on trip guys. Init ng buhangin. Ang lalakas ng alon guys. Surfing capital ang LU. Wow. What a nice view. My God. Yun, no? Lakas ng alon, guys. Woohoo! Guys, check test buy natin par. Yung alon. Hoy. Oh my God. Lakas ng current. Woo! Let's go. Let's go guys. Sarap ng alon par. Wow. Let's go. Grabe guys, solid yung alon. Woohoo! Let's go LU. LU, let's go. Why, sarap. Woy, lakas. Grabe. Lakas ng alon, guys. Sheesh. Woy, lakas. Grabe. Nangahatak yung alon, guys. Yeah. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Woohoo! Yeah. Yo, what is up mga par? Andito tayo ngayon sa LU and sobrang tirik na tirik yung araw ngayon. Grabe yung init. Time check, magti 3 o'clock, 2:59. Doon muna tayo sa cottage natin. Let's go.
Tomorrow for sure.